Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Here's a quick tip, how to fasten your strop quickly and easily. This is the Shave Nation 3-inch strop. Comes in black, comes in burgundy. The other thing you need is a zip tie. 2 zip ties, even better. What else you need? You probably have in your bathroom already a door and a doorknob. Take your zip tie. You know they only go one way, right? It has the locking tab on one side. You don't want to insert it there. You want to insert it on the other side. So you're just going to go to your doorknob. You are going to insert it just so it's smaller than the doorknob, where it won't come off, like that. So you can pull on it all day long, it won't come off. Now you can take your strop, latch it on, your zip tie, boom. The perfect height for stropping, waist level. You want to take it a step further and not damage your doorknob with the hardware. Take the second zip tie, insert it through the first zip tie, pull it a little bit tight, just till it catches. Now you're good to go. You have 2 zip ties. You're going to go on the second one, and you will not scratch your doorknob. 2 zip ties, one tight enough around the doorknob that it doesn't come off, the other one around the first zip tie, through that loop. Now you can strop all day long. You don't have to worry about scratching your doorknob. Perfect height for stropping, easy to latch and unlatch. If you don't mind a couple zip ties hanging on your doorknob, probably would be on the inside where no one's going to see it anyway. Alright, hope that helps. You want to pick up a strop? We don't sell zip ties, but if you want to pick up a strop, anything else shaving related, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab it right there. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 500 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.